Congratulations on receiving your new GARDENA SILENO robotic mower. In this pre-installation video, we'll take a look at all the steps to take before you begin installing your new GARDENA SILENO Flex. First things first, let's get connected. The GARDENA Bluetooth app will be your go-to for installation support and mower management. To download the app, search GARDENA Bluetooth in your App Store. Follow the prompts to set up an account. This will allow the support team to help you get through the setup process and ensure everything is working smoothly. Before digging or installing any part of your mower system, you need to make sure there are no underground utilities in the area where you'll be working. It's a simple step, but it's crucial for safety. Go to clickbeforeyoudig.com to find information specific to your region. If you live in a neighborhood with a homeowners association, it's a good idea to double-check the robotic mower rules before moving forward with installation. You'll want to survey your yard to find the perfect place for your charging base. Make sure your charging base will be within reach of a power outlet. You'll need a nearby electrical source to keep the mower charged. The perfect place will have 7 feet of free space in front of the charging station and 1 foot of space on each side. Try to avoid any areas with obstacles that will block the mower's path, like bushes, fences, or walls. The last step to take before installing your new GARDENA SILENO Flex is pre-mowing your lawn to the desired length. The mower works best on grass that has been already trimmed to a manageable length that it will continue to maintain. Once these key steps are complete, you'll be ready to move forward with the installation of your GARDENA robotic mower. If you want any additional help with your pre-installation, give us a call and speak with one of our expert installation coaches or schedule a virtual installation walkthrough. We are always happy to support every step of the way.